Hey guys, I was at Costco today and I totally scored on this Scotchgard 3-pack. Now this normally was selling for like 12 bucks or 14 bucks or something. It sold for $5 on clearance and I picked up one pack of 3. So I'm going to try to figure out what I'm going to do with it. But if you're, this was actually in Signal Hill Costco, but they were clearing this stuff out at 5 bucks. So that's a pretty awesome deal. I just figured I'd let you know about this haul, which is pretty cool. I plan to probably put this on my, hopefully it works the same as a regular Scotchgard. So I'm gonna probably put this on some of the stuff I use to cover my grill and stuff like that, as well as my umbrella, and try it out on probably some shoes too, just to experiment. Because heck, got for 5 bucks, I might as well experiment, make some YouTube videos out of it and see if it could work. Because I want to basically make some of my shoes a little bit more waterproof than the others and see if it works out well. It's meant for patio furniture and umbrellas and hammocks and stuff like that. So I'm pretty sure it works on fabric pretty well. So I don't plan to use this on my car, in my interior of my car. So anyways, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Stay tuned for more. See you next time. Bye-bye.